Moving on to making a potato vegetable. We are making the most loved potato vegetable in India, known as jeera aloo. The process is very simple, it doesn't take more time, and it tastes simply amazing. Let's start. I'm taking a pan, turn on the heat, add 3 to 4 spoons of oil, depending on how many potatoes you are taking. I've taken 3 medium-sized potatoes. Prepared the potatoes for our jeera aloo. We've boiled them, peeled them, and cut them into 1-inch cubes. Let's start by heating oil in a pan. As the name suggests, it's jeera aloo. We'll add cumin and we'll let it brown. Once the jeera becomes golden brown, add a little bit of hing. Add curry leaves, chopped green chilies. I've sliced the green chilies in the center. You can add more green chilies if you want. Add your peeled and chopped potatoes. Now I'm going to add my dry spices and salt to it. You can always add a little bit of salt while you are boiling your potatoes, maybe in a pressure cooker or on an open pan with water. You can slit your potatoes while you are boiling them so that it can cook faster. I'm going to add red chili powder, very little turmeric to bring out that orange hue, very little turmeric. I'm going to add coriander and cumin seed powder. I'm going to add dry mango powder, also known as amchur. A pinch of garam masala, just for the aroma. And we'll give it a mix. The oil will help you coat your potatoes with all the spices that you've added. What we'll do is, we'll make sure that we lay out the potatoes in the pan for a little bit. It will brown at the bottom and we'll give it a little crisp. Let it sit in the pan for a while on a medium flame. Make sure that you check on them. Do not leave it unattended, otherwise your potatoes might burn. A tip what I can give you here is, if you think that your potatoes look a little undercooked, they are not done, at this stage you can add a little water, cover it with a lid. Once they come to the consistency that you like, you can open the lid and let it cook like this and brown later. Gently stir your potatoes. Always remember, they are already cooked. We are just making sure that they are coated well with the spices and we are browning them a little. If you mix or stir them vigorously, then it might turn mushy. At this stage where potatoes are almost coated and done, I'm going to add a little bit of kasuri methi. Fenugreek leaves are dried. They add great aroma to these dishes. Jeera aloo goes very well with your chole bhature. It's served as a main dish as well as a side dish also. Before I shut the gas, I'm going to add some fresh coriander leaves to it. And give it a mix so that the coriander wilts just a little. The jeera aloo is ready. Let's serve it. Jeera aloo is very comforting. They taste delicious, and as you saw, it's very easy to make. If there are certain spices which you don't find available, use the spices which you already have at home. Garnish it with a little fresh coriander and you're good to go. Our jeera aloo is ready. The potato cubes look coated very well with spices. Serve it with chapati or paratha. It's very easy to make. Your jeera aloo is ready. It's as quick and simple as you already saw it. A quick tip, if you want to reheat your jeera aloo, sprinkle it with a little water before you put it in a microwave. If you want to heat it on a pan also, just add a little water. As this is a dry vegetable, when you try to heat it, becomes more dry. And also one thing, if there's a little bit of leftover, you can put it in the refrigerator, mash it and use it in your parathas as stuffed aloo parathas.